Do you have time for me and the boys next weekend? Yes, I booked all three of you for Saturday at old 9 Hunham. See you then. Thank you. Hey, I'm sorry to let you know on short notice there's only gonna be two of us. Joe is not gonna be able to make it. Do you have cash? Yes, I have cash.